All right, so I recently did a poll on Twitter and asked you guys if you guys actually really wanted to see me remove the net of the Deerupts, and you guys actually voted 75% yes that you wanted me to do it. So in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what these look like with the mesh netting removed. All right, so here is the before and here is the after. And I'm not really sure quite how I feel about this. Honestly, you guys already mentioned this, and I also thought the same thing about the shape. Looks like one of the frail joints. But it's kind of really difficult to remove this netting from the shoe. I like the look of it though. It looks drastically different from the pair that we have here. Obviously with this crazy netting all over the shoe. And then just removing it, it's just kind of raw. So I tried to do the best I could to remove the white along the piping up here and then also along the midsole. But the midsole is really the toughest part. As you can see, there's definitely some like glue stains a little bit along the midsole. So it definitely looks really, really rough. You could really probably take a lot of time and sand it down and try to get all of the glue stains removed, but it is what it is. I mean, I guess I don't really mind it, but it doesn't look 100% perfect. But I did the best I could to remove it all the way around the tongue as well. You can see I did kind of mess up and get some of the stitches that I probably shouldn't have got. So you have to be really careful to do this. I was going to record it, but I didn't have my camera and my tripod set up, and I just got started to do this the other night, and I just went for it. So I didn't do the other one yet, and I wanted to show you guys what they both look like on feet, kind of before and after. And what do you guys think about the look with the netting removed from the Deerupts? I derupted the Deerupts. I think that it was kind of a fun idea to just try it out and see what it would look like. Just so you guys know how I did this, it was super simple. I ended up using a razor blade. This is just kind of a special one that has a little handle thing on it, and just a little razor blade, and I use this across the netting up here, and I use it across down here. And then to get the really fine details of all the extra stuff, the extra materials and whatnot through this section up here in the bottom, I used some pliers, some needle nose pliers, and just kind of picked it apart. You could probably just use tweezers as well. Then when there was a little bit of frayed edges that were sticking out really far, I actually used a lighter and just singed it and kind of cut it back a little bit. And then the final step is I used some leather dye on the black part of the shoe up here because there was some little teeny white bits of netting across this section, and I basically just wanted to make it so it looked black so it didn't kind of stand out too much. So I think it worked pretty successfully. Also, this back section right here, it looks like this mostly. You could see, if I pull this all the way up, you could see it looks like this. It's white, and it was white all the way down the stripe in the back right here. And so I just basically painted that or colored it with a dye as black as well. So that is it. It was really pretty simple. And then I just put the white laces back on. I think it would probably look better with black laces, but it is what it is. I just didn't have another pair of laces to throw on the shoes. But I mentioned that I wanted to try this in the unboxing of the video, and a lot of people kept on reaching back out to me asking me when I was going to do it. So if you like that I did this, hit the thumbs up button. I really did this for your guys' sake so you guys could see the before and after. Decide if you guys want to do it or not. It really is tough to get a perfect job along the midsole. That's probably the roughest part, especially with the contrast between the white and the black. You could see it's pretty significant how rough and choppy it is. I think if you actually painted the netting black on the midsole, it would actually look a lot better. But this is just a quick video to show you guys the Deerupt deconstructed, and what do you guys think? Leave some comments, let me know in the comments section. And if you guys are interested in buying the Deerupt from Adidas, it's pretty reasonable. Price point is $100. Check the link in the description to cop a pair. But thank you guys for stopping by watching. Subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I post videos. Catch you guys for some more videos soon. Peace, guys.